Here comes the question number 3. If cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta are in harmonic progression, calculate the value of sin theta plus tan theta divided by cos theta. This is a quickie, very simple problem. I have included it in my trigonometry questions because of the appearance of harmonic progression here. As a concept, whenever, let's say, three numbers A, B, C are in harmonic progression, the relationship between them can be written as if three numbers A, B, C are in, instead of writing harmonic progression, I'm going to just write HP. Or in harmonic progression, then B equals 2 divided by 1 by A plus 1 by C. Okay, so this is the relationship in a harmonic progression. Let's do a quick example. Like there are Let's do a quick example. Let's take three numbers in harmonic progression. Let's say 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9. A equals 1 by 7, B equals 1 by 8, C equals 1 by 9. This is in a harmonic progression. It's part of the harmonic series, right? The harmonic series is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 and so on. Okay? So this is part of the harmonic series. These three numbers are in harmonic progression. Let's apply this formula. So B is 1 by 8, right? 1 divided by 8 equals 2 divided by 1 by A. 1 A is 1 by 7. So 1 by A would be 7. Plus C is 1 by 9. So 1 by C would be 9. So that equals 2 divided by 60 equals 1 by 8. Okay, so this quickly demonstrates the relationship between three numbers in a harmonic progression. So we have to apply this to cosecant, secant and cot and you will get this answer. Let's do it. I'm going to rub it. We'll do it in a fresh bowl. So cosecant, secant and cot are in harmonic progression. Cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta are in HP, harmonic progression. Therefore 1 over secant theta equals 2 divided by cosecant theta. So 1 over cosecant theta. Plus 1 over cot theta. 1 over cot theta. Okay, we have to simplify this. 1 over secant is cos theta, right? So cos theta equals 2 divided by cosecant. 1 over cosecant is sin theta. Plus 1 over cot theta is tan theta. So which gives you, the equation is sin theta plus tan theta divided by cos theta. So multiply both sides with sin theta plus tan theta, we will have the final answer. Sin theta plus tan theta divided by cos theta equals 2. So this is our answer. Okay, very simple, quick problem, right? Let's go to question number 4.